The Summit supercomputer came online quite a while prior with more processing power than some other non-disseminated framework. The U.S. Department of Energy declared not long ago that it would turn the framework's huge processing power toward the COVID-19 pandemic. The machine has been doing the math, and it has now distinguished 77 concoction aggravates that could help stop coronavirus. Highest Point is the most remarkable supercomputer on Earth by a wide edge, and it's additionally the third most vitality proficient. It utilizes 10 megawatts of capacity to keep its 9,216 PoWER922 Center CPUs and 27,648 NVIDIA Tesla V100 GPUs murmuring. It has a hypothetical pinnacle execution of more than 200 petaflops and has shown 148.6 petaflops by and by while working at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. The objective of Summit's enormous figuring power is a particular protein on the outside of the infection molecule. Like different infections, SARS-CoV-2 needs to taint cells to make duplicates of itself, and it does that with the assistance of the spike protein. These particles on the outside of the infection connect to angiotensin changing over protein 2 ACE2 receptors on human cells, permitting the infection to infuse its genome and commandeer cell hardware. Highest Point has run recreations on in excess of 8,000 mixes, scanning for particles that could inactivate the infection. Early outcomes from Summit have distinguished 77 aggravates that could tie to the spike protein, keeping it from authoritative to human cells. Shockingly, Summit can't devise a treatment without anyone else. All that handling power is extraordinary at mimicking subatomic cooperations, yet not perfect for the nuanced procedure of clinical examination. All we realize right currently is these 77 particles have a decent potential for success of hindering the spike protein from appending to cells. We don't have a clue whether the mixes Summit has distinguished are okay for use in people. Clinical specialists should assess the mixes and direct research facility testing, which may in the end lead to clinical tests with human subjects. This is simply some portion of our endeavors to slow the spread of COVID-19. Work on an antibody is independent from this. An immunization could prevent contaminations from occurring by any stretch of the imagination, however a treatment dependent on Summit's work could help reduce the side effects of COVID-19 and increment endurance rates. Sadly, immunizations are a lot harder to create.